Roots of a quadratic function. Solving by factorisation, part 3. We're going to be looking at functions of the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c now. Example 1. Let's find the roots for f of x equals x squared plus 7x plus 12. We're going to set f of x equals 0, and I'll just rearrange that so the 0 is on the right hand side. And so what we need to do is factorise x squared plus 7x plus 12. We're going to have two sets of brackets, and in each bracket we're going to have an x term. And now what we need to do is find the values for which you multiply them to give 12 and you add them to give 7. So the factors of 12 that add to give 7 would be 3 and 4. And now we can find what values of x would make this whole function equal 0. For the first bracket, x plus 3 must equal 0, therefore x must equal negative 3. For the second bracket, x plus 4 must equal 0, therefore x must equal negative 4. And so we have two solutions. x1 is equal to negative 3, x2 is equal to negative 4. We've got two negative solutions on the plot. We can see that the roots are at x equals minus 4 and x equals minus 3. Example 2. A bit trickier. We've got a negative function, so f of x equals minus x squared plus 6x minus 8. We'll set f of x equals 0, and I'll just switch the 0 to the right hand side. And the step that I would recommend here is to extract the negative term, so factor out a negative 1 from the brackets, and when we do this, the signs of each of these terms are going to flip. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x plus 8. And the reason we do this is because it just simplifies our factorisation. So we're going to have two sets of brackets again with an x term in each bracket. And now we want two numbers, one in each bracket, that are the factors of 8 that, when added together, give minus 6. So we've got minus 2 and we've got minus 4. And now we can analyse this. So the first term, we can say that x minus 2 equals 0, therefore x is equal to positive 2. In the second bracket, x minus 4 equals 0, therefore x is equal to 4. So we've got two solutions. We've got x1 is equal to 2 and x2 is equal to 4. And on the plot, we're going to have an inverted U shape, so an inverted parabola because of the negative term. We're going to have two roots, one at x equals 2 and one at x equals 4.